So I am back with a follow-up video featuring my butter pecan mini waffles, and I just want to share how I made these. So I used Smart Bisquick and just used the standard recipe. I did alter the oil because I made a butter pecan sauce, and so I didn't want it to be too oily. So I'm going to tell you how I made the sauce. So you can either in a skillet or in the microwave, you can melt butter and add some vanilla extract to it, and then also crushed pecans. And so I've done two variations of this where I have melted in the microwave and added the vanilla afterwards and then my crushed pecans, but I've also made the sauce in a skillet as well, where I melted butter, added the vanilla, and then added the crushed pecans. And what's interesting is I actually made some butter pecan ice cream when I made some yesterday, but these are fresh, for today. So what I did was then I, added this to the Heart Smart Bisquick after I've gone through the process to make up the waffle batter. And so yeah, so I just mix those in and then use my mini waffle maker and so here we go. So it's fairly easy, and my family loves these, and this is why I actually made more so that I could do a feature with these. But there'll be the recipe within the description. These are very easy to make, and so I just wanted to feature these, just have it garnished with just some orange wedges, but also too they have other things, of course, to accompany these waffles. But I just wanted to feature these, and I'll be back with more mini meal features soon.